Hi everyone. This week we're going to review a common condition called tennis elbow. We're going to start with 2 exercises and 1 stretch. Again, please check in with your physio to make sure this works for you. For weeks 1 and 2, we're going to begin with straightening your elbow. You can make a fist. What I want here is to pull your wrist back and feel the muscles on the outside of your forearm engage. You can also straighten your wrist and hand and pull back if that feels better. We're going to do that together. Make a fist, pull your wrist back, hold for 10 seconds. Feel the muscles on the outside of the forearm engage. Now you're going to bring your forearm and wrist back in. You can again open your hand and pull your wrist inwards if that feels like more of a stretch. We're going to hold for 10 seconds. And then come back. You can repeat that 5 times to warm up the muscles before our exercise. The next is an eccentric or lengthening exercise. I have a light 1-pound weight. Support your forearm on the table or bed. With your palm down, you're going to lower your wrist for a count of 10 seconds. Then you'll use your other hand, relaxing your forearm muscles to bring the weight back up to the start position. We'll do this again together for a count of 10, lowering the wrist. Feel the muscles on the outside of the forearm lengthen and contract. Use your other hand to return to the start position. Repeat that 10 times, 3 sets, every second day. The stretch for the first 2 weeks will be you can straighten your elbow, make a fist, bend your wrist down, turn your wrist out and feel a stretch through the outside of the forearm. You can change angles depending where you feel the greatest stretch. Let's do this together. Straighten the elbow, make a fist, bring the wrist down, and turn the wrist out. We're going to hold for about 20 seconds. Consciously relax these muscles, let your shoulders go, and feel the lengthening through the forearm muscles. Repeat that 3 times, once a day.